It's so good to see you. Thanks for coming back. So today we're going to be opening up August Boxycharm. Boxycharm runs $21 a month. It is plus tax, so I end up paying roughly about $22.47, and usually includes 4 to 5 full-sized items. My box this month has a total value of $144. And don't forget to like and subscribe this video. And what is that? Is that a dislike? No dislikes. Thank you. Let's get into the box. So there is a card included, and the theme this month is totally dude. And at the back it has a list of everything included this month. Hello Charmer. Wander Beauty, and this is a glow ahead illuminating oil. Hydrate and absorbs into the skin, and this runs $42. This is pretty small for $42. This better be some amazing face oil. Looks pink. Is it pink? Doesn't smell bad. Ebbe, I'm dripping. So do I have a youthful glow going on? No? Okay. This illuminating glow is really sticky, so I'm gonna have to wash my hands. Be right back. Ace Beauty, and it's a Glimmer Shadow Duo. So this is Huckleberry. And I love the pattern in there. It looks like a little couch. Feels smooth. Ooh, that is a nice color. And this is French Vanilla. Doesn't look very vanilla to me. Looks more like icy. Whoa, that is super icy. So that's those two colors. Huckleberry is looking like. There wasn't any fallout. It says they're not supposed to be any creasing either. I don't see any, which is always a good thing. And it's also not supposed to fade. It looks really good, so I am happy. And I packed French Vanilla right on top of the Huckleberry, and I really like how it came out. And obviously I would have gotten a lot more color if there wasn't the Huckleberry underneath it, but I'm still happy with how it came out. So I am very pleased. This duo runs $25. Tarte, and this is the Big Ego Mascara. And that's what we're aiming for, that picture right there. We're going from little bitty to extra long. And it's in the color black. And this is $23. I've seen ads for it all over the place, so I'm actually really excited to try this out. I did get a different mascara from Tarte, which I absolutely love. So hopefully this is gonna do its job and make me happy. This is the Tube Extra Pink. Definitely has some weight to it. I actually like that little dip in the center. I find that it allows me to be able to get the base of my lashes a lot better. They look good. I really do like that wand. It feels like you're brushing your eyelashes with like a soft bristle brush. So soft and easy to use. I didn't get the length I was looking for, but I do like how it fanned out my lashes, because usually they're all like wonky. Becca, and this is a Hydra Mist and Refresh Powder. Ooh! And they get my shade right! Ooh! Now that makes me happy. Already got fingerprints on the front of this. Acting like crazy. And then at the back, look! Golden bronze. I'm so excited that they got my shade right. I can't tell you how many times I'm just like, okay, I guess I have to deal with it. But no, I don't have to. Yes, thank you, Boxycharm. Yes. And there was a message right on the front. It says, keep me closed to keep me cool. Ah! Oh, crap. It's the inside of it. Ooh. So let's try this mist-like sensation. Ooh. Oh my word. I really like this powder. This is weird. The front of my face feels really dry, but the sides look super shiny. I don't know, this is a weird powder. It's definitely drying out everything I got though. I look freaking airbrushed. What the hell? Becca! Wow, who knew? Okay, well, I found a new setting powder, so that is good news. Look at it. It's like a freaking trampoline right there. That is so cool. And this is $39. I feel like I'm airbrushed right now on camera. I might not look airbrushed, but I definitely feel it, so I feel good. Steve Laurant lip liner says reshape, resize, and redefine your pout. Well, I don't need to reshape it. I definitely don't need to resize it. Redefine, okay. Completely waterproof, nice. So no transferring or bleeding all day long and lasts up to 7 hours. This is $15, so this is not a cheap lip liner. It's brown. They did so well with the setting powder. I don't know how this is gonna work. If it doesn't show up here, I doubt it's gonna make a difference on my lips. So there it is, barely there brown. So that is the lip liner. It's a lot lighter than what I would normally use as a lip liner. No, the lip liner is just way too light for me. It's just not gonna do what it should do. That's it. That's everything in my Boxycharm box. Have a good night. Bye.